portrait or you like your weird settings on it?
Landscape. Should I change it to portrait?
No, it's okay. I'm gonna try to figure it out, but if you see like how it looks like here, it's really weird. Look at you. You must be on some portrait thing. Let me check. Yes. I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna crop it first. Transform. I wonder how you would have looked like with the. I don't think we can make two cameras.
We have to do one camera?
Like, no, with the iPhone. But now you look really pixelated. I think it's going to be fine. Audio is more important.
You know Riverside?
Yeah, but it's going to be called live, so we're going to have ping delay.
Oh, yes, yeah.
That's what I was thinking. I thought about it as well.
Because Riverside stores it locally, right? So it'll be higher quality.
Yeah. We could have tried that. And it's like each have their own audio.
Yeah. I could like go upstairs or something.
Yeah, but then the goal was to have it like that. That's
Yeah.
going to be fine. We're going to figure it out.
This will be good.
Just people would think like, why that guy's so low quality?
Yeah, that's true.
It's funny because it's like a portrait, but landscape.
So it's just super, let me,
Change back the settings, it's weird. You see like you get like,
oh, yes. Should I make it, I can make it portrait then.
try portrait to see?
That's it in portrait right there.
Yeah, that's going to be way better.
Okay, perfect.
I think.
Perfect. That's good. So purely just informational about X402, what it does.
Yeah.
X402 for normies.
Try to go, wait, I need to mirror you. Transform.
Oh yeah, so my face doesn't look cooked, right?
Go on your bit on your right, next to the plank, go a bit more towards the plank. Now your chair. If you move the camera, it's gonna move with you. Like now, you're too much on the right, like you need to go the other side. Like you go a lot more, because you turn the camera, or like turn it back the camera the other way to go more, to show more the couch.
like this.
Yeah, a little bit less. Again, a little bit. I think that's it. Yeah. You can check if you want to see.
Oh, yes. Yes, that camera looks so pixelated, but.
Yeah, I don't think we can change that.
Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Everything I try, it just doesn't work. Like filming me.
Yes, on the screen.
Ah, okay.
More content.
All right.
You lead it. Like you're the one leading the podcast.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask you the questions.
Okay, perfect. I got
I'm gonna ask
ChatGPT.
you to intro yourself as well, so don't expect you uplift you, like when you're working,
Okay.
things like that.
Yes. Yes, perfect. Oh. The audio's all good.
Yeah. Try to make can you put the camera a little bit lower so we don't have that one? Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, good. Speak a little.
Hello, hello, hello.
No, speak like 1 2 1 2.
1 2 1 2.
Yeah, that's how we test audio. So it's X402.
X402. Yeah.
And why it's changing
The world.
the world, the crypto game.
Crypto space.
I need a water. You have one?
Yeah.
Well, we get really fast.
Yeah.
Try to show your screen to the camera to see if we can see something.
If I go like this.
Yeah, we can see a bit. You will have to lift it up
Okay.
if we need to. While we're doing live in 1 2 3, and when I start to talk, it means we are live. Okay?
Yeah.
Updating settings for YouTube. Configure the multi-stream service. I'm gonna wait that we get the chat. Hi. What's up, Johan? Happy to have you on the podcast.
Yes, I'm happy to be here.
Yeah, you have to look at me though. That's
Okay.
better. Yeah.
Yes.
So 402, I hear about it everywhere online on Twitter and stuff like that. It says like it's gonna change everything for crypto and the other elements, like with AI agents. And to be honest with you, I don't get everything. So first, tell me a little bit about yourself and why I should listen to you and the explanation of X402.
Yes. So first of all, super happy to be here. And then a little bit about me. I've been a developer since I was in high school, did a lot of tech stuff, worked at Cisco Systems when I was 18 as the youngest engineer ever. And then I left Cisco after a year, started my own company, sold a company when I was 20, and now doing tons of stuff, building tons of startups. And last week I discovered X402. So that's where working more on that now and seeing just all the possibilities with it and the things that might come out with it.
What is it about? Can you explain it to me, X402? Like first, like congrats on your path, but we don't know.
X402 is what
Your
matters.
parents are happy that you did that? They're proud of you?
Hopefully, I'm not sure.
All right, we'll figure this out. It's not the place here. It's not
Yes,
therapy
yes.
session.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you about that. So
Yes.
then, why we explain X402 in that is one line.
One line. Crypto payments without fees or verification, complex verification.
But didn't we have already like crypto payments where you go and then there's like thing that you have like Solana Pay or whatsoever, and then you put your email address and you validate the transaction in your wallet?
So that's it right there. Before you had to put in your email address, now you don't need to put in your email address or anything like that. So what that opens the door for is the whole agentic part. And I feel like that brings the dead internet theory a little bit, right? Because you can have agents literally interacting with each other, paying each other with X402.
Wow. Do you think the first business they're gonna do is a red light district for AI agents?
I hope so.
Everything that starts with a new technology is always with that. I'm not like.
Yeah, I think there will definitely be some like OnlyFans version with X402.
Okay, we got the YouTube ban with that one, but thank you.
Okay.
Right off the bat.
Yes.
Congrats.
Yeah. Oh, sorry about that.
So then I don't need to connect my wallet. I don't need to connect my wallet to do a payment. That's what you mean.
You do need to connect your wallet if you're doing it personally, but if it's agentic, you can connect your wallet, and then once it's connected, you don't have to do it anymore. So similar to old payments. One way I like to think about it is like Pump Fund has it in stream. Once you have it on your phone, you can tip streamers through Pump Fund, and you don't have to do any confirmation or anything like that. That's similar for desktop or anything like that, where once you're connected, it's done. Like you can simply just pay someone.
And do I have to connect to each website? Do I connect to the protocol once and then every time I do a payment streams?
I honestly need to do more research to see about that. I think you have to connect to each website. The way we've been building it out so far with what we're building, you have to connect it to each website.
But once you connect it once, you can do all the payments.
Yes.
But what's happened if I put 402 on my thing?
Yeah.
And then people they validate their first payments.
Yeah.
They go out on their life. What's stopping me from just charging?
I think that opens the door to a lot of security things for X402 that I'm sure will be solved. And I think I need to do more research into that to see exactly what it is. Because there has to be some security thing in place. But so far, from what I understand, there isn't anything stopping it. But there has to be.
What I understood is like the agents need to have access to the private key, and like this, you just sign the transaction itself. That's what I thought. It was like, okay, they can process this instead of going through a portal that would be probably against bots, because most of the internet try to protect bots with like Cloudflare verification and things like that to verify humans. But there's not been any payment system or gateways that are for, bot infrastructure, because I heard you can use it for API key and things like that, right?
Yeah, so that's where it works perfectly, because if you have usage-based APIs, you can pay in crypto, and then something like OpenAI, as opposed to buying it in batches, loading up credits, every single time it's a credit, it's a microtransaction with X402. So that use case is perfect. Like there's other use cases. I think that's the biggest use case, microtransactions in that sense, where you don't have to verify every single time.
What kind of thing you think would need that the most? Like give a concrete example of like what
if you have an API, let's say an agent wants to build something with an API. You want to have it fully built out. The agent can go get API access to this and then build out whatever tech it is and use this API that's credit-based, paying with crypto. So OpenAI, for example, I don't know what the token cost is, but right now you load up your OpenAI account with like $50 and then it subtracts from that. As opposed to that, it's just you pay every single transaction. So I feel like that's
pay every transaction to it.
Yes, in crypto, which is nice.
Yeah, on OpenAI, you just load up. I'm trying to pull out the comps as well, the comps that's going to get on YouTube. There you go. Oh, man. autistic rampant enjoyer say that A agent can now pay for services, no subscription setup, no credit cards, no accounts, no API key to manage. So what is it good for the common mortals like us?
For us, I think there's still a lot of things being built on X402 that we have yet to see because it is pretty new technology from what I understand. In the last like 2 weeks, it's been really, really taking off.
I mean,
Do you
it's
know?
new and not new from what I understood.
Yeah, because 402.
402 was always here.
Yeah,
There was
yeah.
a protocol that no one's used for the payment thing. Stop fidgeting, man. Like, put your hands in your pocket.
Yeah, don't.
I know
Okay,
what
okay.
you're doing. Put your hands like that, but come on. You were Cisco engineers.
Yeah,
Okay.
all of us fidget. That's the San Francisco engineer mentality. Yes, I'll stay like this from now on.
Keeps hitting the table. I'm gonna tear it down.
Okay, yes. Is it like shining in your eye a little bit? Or?
Yeah, that should be fine. So then we're gonna have those AA agent. Why they need to do those micro payments? What kind of thing they're gonna do?
APIs, I think, are the biggest one, and then also payment, or what is the name for it? Information. So if you have a course, a digital course, you can literally put payment gateways behind things. So let's say you have whatever information it is, a course, you have a school community for your thing, you can payment gate or payment, I don't know the correct word for it, but you can put a payment gateway behind a certain page. So if you have some information you only want to give for a cost, you can have that page blocked by a payment so that agent has to pay whatever it might be to access that information.
Why the agent would need that info though?
Whatever it might be building, if you have it researching for more complex tasks, let's say you give an agent, this is a very extreme example, but like build me a business, is doing tons of research, checking the internet. And for this specific business, it's like a crypto business. So it has to go to Anton RSX because who else is it going to go to? Goes to your website. You have like 5 different PDFs or something all about how to build a crypto business, whatever it might be. All of those pages could be payment behind a payment gateway, and then they have to pay to access that. I think similar to like a school community or something like that.
Yeah, and then once I pay, I have access all the time, or it's like every time I want to access it.
I think that would be something that the user can say. It would be pay every time unless because there's no authentication for X402. So the way, if you use it default setup like that, they would have to pay every single time. Like every time they access it, they would have to pay. But if you have some way to authenticate and then store the information that they paid, just like anything else, just store that they paid, then next time they access it, authenticate, see that they already paid, and they can access it very easily.
Okay. I see it, but I just don't see the usage except for AA agents, basically. But then the AA agents, we still don't know exactly what they would pay for. I guess access to a stream of data makes sense if they can't create an account and like this they get an API. They don't need the API key or whatever. They just go and get that data for you, and that probably helps for other type of payments. Like let's say I want less audio. What do you mean less audio?
It's too loud.
Low audio. No, it's not loud.
Oh,
I
stop.
think your microphone. Can you try to put it closer?
Hello.
We really did that. Sorry, guys. It was a bit of an impromptu.
Set it up in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. I might be able to change it here. There you go.
Fidgeting.
Now it should be better. But I can try to put it up as well. 1 2 1 2. Yeah, no, I think it's gonna stay low like that. That's the way it is.
I think
if I want to buy a movie ticket, then the AI agent can buy the movie ticket for me.
Yeah.
Technically, because he's gonna be like, okay, boom, boom, and then do the payment for me. Unless there's like integration that's gonna happen in between movie places and like ChatGPT or whatsoever. But like this structure could be working. And what is different, for example, with MCP agents? What is MCP?
Model context protocol, but I don't know how much that really ties into X402. Like, could you see? Huh?
I don't know, because I feel like the MCP would help you to connect to other apps directly and like interact with other application through like a system that is like the same like a standard that is everywhere. And I was wondering like how much is that different with X402?
I think it's sort of go hand in hand because they could, like you say, help each other, but
Yeah.
extremely different.
Mm.
I do like the use case of like, what if you tell ChatGPT something or whatever LLM you're using, it can purchase something with X402. Yeah, honestly, I'm not too sure. Not too
It
sure the
could
best
be like,
example of it.
yeah, like also you can pay stream per minute and things like that.
Yeah,
You've been building your stuff on X402. What are you building and why are you building it?
purely a payment, no code payments for it. And the
Okay.
main reason is so it's not dependent on anything else. So like not dependent on a lot of the no code payments right now are like dependent on exchanges or some sort of middleman. But the beauty of X402 is that it's internet native and it's like instant settlement. So like you mentioned one, Helio, it also does no code payments. They do the exact same thing. But I think the difference is that they also have like the middleman, they take a fee. So it goes from buyer to the middleman to the merchant. Whereas with X402, you can literally just have it directly from buyer to seller, which just saves a lot of headache. And then you're not reliant on that middleman.
Okay. Yes, it's like a new type of payment thing that will help for all the things like the payment system that you're building, the noting, like I put it, but then validate that someone paid, or like what how do I validate the node? Because like for example, let's say I have a SaaS, what would be the use case in my SaaS? Like why should I use a no code X402 instead of whatever payment gateway is out there?
So you can use crypto, no code, so it's extremely easy to integrate. You don't have to be technical, and then you can all validate it with. We have built-in webhooks, so similar to Stripe or Lemon Squeezy.
Okay.
As soon as you get payment confirmation or transaction confirmed, transaction failed, whatever it is, you get updates on that. So exactly
then,
like
for example, I would need to either capture the wallet address or the email so I can create the account.
yes. So that's also in the actual transaction. Once the transaction is made, that would be sent in the webhook data, their wallet address from it. So you have all that information, and then also just on a straight dashboard showing.
So they could connect directly with their wallet. But then if it's free, no transaction fees, how does your business make money?
So right now, that's where we just want to get a V1 out, where it is making X402 a lot more accessible, because I have quite a few SaaS connections, SaaS founders. So that's the first thing. And then it would most likely be subscription later on down the line based off transaction value or transaction volume. But the actual pricing and monetization of the business, we haven't really thought about too much.
Yeah.
First thing is just focusing on making it more accessible to everyone.
Yeah,
and then also we want to like deep dive more into it, because the way I see it is, I know X402 has crazy technology and there's a lot more use cases.
You could do every transaction is 1 cent.
Yeah.
And like this, you have automatically you use the X402 on your side as well.
Oh yes. Yeah,
cent.
I think that is honestly the best way to do it.
Yeah.
And
Because
it just
otherwise,
goes.
if you start to take a percentage,
People.
it's the same percentage as all the payment gateway. Then
Yeah.
I think I pay for 5% or 1%.
For which one?
For payment gateway. I use Helio.
Oh, okay. Yes.
I think I pay something on that.
Yeah, so probably just micro 1 cent, something like that, based off each one. Be the way to go.
Hey, yeah.
Yeah.
Why do you think why do we talk about it now? Why there was nothing before? There was no use cases, or?
I think the main thing, like the biggest thing that blew up was the fact that agents can use it. So I think the use case that you said, where you tell ChatGPT something, go buy me this, and the fact that it could do that entire thing, that entire process end to end. I don't know how many sites actually, like, there's probably very few sites that already have it integrated. So right now there isn't too much use for that.
Yeah, I think it's Base, right? Came from the labs of Base
Yeah,
chain.
Coinbase.
So
Coinbase is the one that like made it, I believe, or they like
they
popularized it.
Yeah.
From what I've seen.
Okay, yeah, because
But now it's any blockchain. So like you can do it on, yes.
you've been building it on Solana, right?
We have it for Solana, but we started it with Base USDC. I mean, just Base, yeah.
Have you done any X402 payments?
How so? We've done it. We have lifetime for like 2 of our products in X402.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's the way I see it is it's the same as crypto payments before. Like there's nothing special about it. And when I was integrating it, that's where we came up with the idea for making it more accessible to normies, to anyone, but still it feels like not too much different from Helio. Like it seems still pretty basic. We need to find a way to really make leverage the technology more because there's way more potential for it.
And you see which kind of AI agent's gonna use it first? Like what do you think like, oh, this one should use it like now should be a good thing to do?
I feel like that's a hard question. Not sure. There's a lot. I think the thing that I like the most is the API usage, like being able to have microtransactions or pay for API usage with X402. That seems like the biggest use case that I see. The agents still seem like a little bit far away because there's 2 sides to it, like the agent side and then also the merchant has to have it integrated. And I think that would take some time for a lot of merchants to have it integrated and then agents being able to like.
How long do you think it's gonna take?
Depends on how hungry merchants are to accept crypto payments and like especially from agents, because I think a lot of merchants are already accepting crypto payments.
Yeah.
But they've already sort of had pushback against it. Like a lot of merchants don't want to accept crypto payments.
So
all that.
I wonder like why the AI agent, like which kind of data he would need to, because they can scrape a lot of the internet already, right?
Yeah, so I think that use case, I don't really see the value in it, like them paying per information.
Like, I don't know. Thing is, I see like some databases they don't have access to, right? Like if you think like, oh, you ask whatever AI, oh, tell me whoever is working at this company and their email address, they don't have all the data of like that, and then that AI agent could be buying those email and all else to the other, and then after Blaster emailing campaign with the MCP where they're locked into some automation tool and boom. Like I even access Twitter, X database and say like, give me all the profile that do video about crypto. I want to contact them for a campaign about whatever project I have. And then each contact would be like boom, boom, boom. You get billed 1 cent or whatsoever. And then like that, the AI agent is able to build around it. And there might be a toggle where you say like, okay, I want to get billed or I don't want to get billed on my research.
Yeah, I can see that.
Even rendering, I guess, like some agent that would need to render through NA10 some different videos or else. We could imagine a program where they would pay to render to some GPU work out themselves.
That does seem a lot better use. Because I like the content.
Way to yeah.
Is that what
the best?
Is that what said that?
No, me. Wait, honestly, like it would be like, okay, they're like humans.
Yeah, I see
that.
that.
They start to go online, I would be like, oh.
Them paying for content with the OF, can't say that.
You can't say that one. It's funny. It would be funny. Like, yeah, I guess like also maybe some. The thing is, when you think about it, like if I had a generated model on my phone that I won't use for like for specific usage, and that's a more expensive one because it's gonna generate a video for me of a lady doing whatever, like reading a book on the Bible. Obviously.
Yeah.
And then, okay, those things are more expensive and things like that. But like if people register their card on, you can just get bill. But if it's not, if you do a business that credit card company does not like, then crypto payment make even more sense. And then to this day, crypto payments were really bad for subscription and for recurring payments. I mean, subscription and recurring payments, but like multiple initiative of payments. Unless you use, for example, you could go Phantom Wallet. They have the auto valid thing. So like on some website, you can auto valid a transaction. So that's how on PumpFund you can swap directly. That's not with Phantom, but they have like because it's in an embedded wallet, you can auto thing. And on StockFund it's the same. On StockFund it's the same because we have the embedded Privy wallet. And Privy is owned by Stripe.
Privy.
Yeah.
Dang.
Why do you think Stripe bought Privy? The biggest company for
Crypto.
connecting wallets. And yeah, they want to get a share of the crypto payment thing. And then with Privy, with the API, you are a little bit the king of the world. You can do so many things. You can do so many things. It's so that makes it like really enticing and interesting. But I think like it's gonna be a war to this, but like what's the difference is like if I get Privy can connect me to the website, or I get X402, and I can have how Privy works now is the embedded wallet. It's only on which one app. So for example, I have an account on PumpFund, I have an embedded wallet there. I have an account on StockFund, I have an embedded wallet there. Stock STALK.fund. Could have used my phone, but it's there. But it's you can click buy and sell, no validation or any other thing. That's how like most of the trading platform works. So that's pretty cool. Well, I think that if I'm not an AI agent, it's not meant to see. But it's like it feels like it's a space where nothing is built yet, and it's like when the internet arrived. Like we don't know what we're gonna do with it yet, but we see these possibilities and things like that. I do think my idea of like AI agent going to pay for data, that's gonna be good.
I think that makes sense.
It's like you have a library of data they don't have, like you can do that.
Yeah.
Like this, they do those microtransactions.
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. Do you have anything you see that's going to happen for X402? Like any important stuff?
I think the biggest thing is that it's not relying on anything else. It's internet native protocol. So like Helio could go down.
Is it like AI? So like, could we do payment that is non-crypto? Is it or like why is it X? First, because 402 is an internet error code, right?
Because all 400s are.
Request, I think, isn't it? Something like that.
It's 404, right? Or no, 404 not found.
Page not found.
402 is an error request.
Error? As maybe 403 is a request.
Oh, I know 4003 is an error request.
Yeah.
Error request. I think so. Now 402 is payment required. So it goes.
But it was never used.
Seems like it wasn't. I think I'm pretty sure it was
like
for some.
Maybe.
Yeah, or even currently, I'm sure it's used if a page you're trying to access, like so it needs a subscription.
Internet native is like it's already there. We don't need to do any updates or anything. It's like everyone has it by default.
Yeah, it's same as like
it's there. Just have to switch it on, and that's it.
Yeah, similar to like,
Do you think you're gonna give some budget to your AI agent to have some fun and go watch a movie?
Depends what movie. If it's a special movie, maybe.
He's gonna be like, okay, I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, pay some girls.
I mean, also like if you have a book, for example, a book that is not accessible to an AI, it can be like, I could sell my knowledge to some AI agent in a way. if they don't have already any knowledge, like for some specific issue. We're gonna see. It's a beautiful be known
Mine's
drawing.
okay. The content for school, like school communities, people pay for influence.
What would the AI pay for?
Dead internet theories interacting with. I think it depends on what the
all the process. AI usually doesn't have the new information, so they need to go straight to information.
I think it's still. It depends on what I see. That I see the potential there. I feel like it exactly have to be.
Well, we will see. You got anything else to add to it? What's the name of the project you worked on?
Jars Pay.
Jars Pay.
Yeah.
When is it coming out?
Demoing it tonight and then
Tonight?
tomorrow. Yeah.
Tonight, tomorrow. No code payments.
No code payments, SaaS founders, whatever it might be.
They can add to it.
Yeah.
Subscription as well.
Yeah.
So how is it going to work with the subscription? I validate once and then I'm connected forever.
Yeah, and then we still have to find out the best way to make sure that there's enough balance.
How do I connect my first payment? I do it with my Phantom wallet or?
Yeah, with any wallet. We'll use a Wallet Connect.
Okay.
And then you can also just scan. But we need to validate to see how does a wallet have the balance? Because if the subscription is like $20 a month, I think that's the current issue with crypto payments still for subscriptions.
It is, and then also there's the wallet balance, and then the second thing is that you need to revalidate the transaction, or otherwise, what is that people would not like most of the time is that when you do the first transaction, the amount you need to authorize is like 1 year. So you authorize 1 year of spending.
Yeah.
Like so there's going to be 12x the monthly.
Yeah.
And it's going to be like, oh, you allow 4,000 USD, but today you pay only like 350 or whatever is the calculation.
That's
and
scary.
I kind of feel like, well, you kind of taking me my other money away.
Yeah.
It's kind of feel like weird. I wonder how it's going to look like with 402.
I think right now for the actual payments and subscriptions for 402 seems similar to the old style of payments. The main thing would be just no middleman. And then I like that this is our V1, so we want to build.
We still have to use you to get the webhook.
Yeah, just for this, if you want the no code access, but you can also integrate directly with X402, and then that you'd have to build out the logic yourself just to verify that the payment went through.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
All right, well, thanks, Johan.
Oh, thank you.
It was short and sweet.
Yes.
A lot of technical terms. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We did live. We wanted to give the information fast. I know the format of live is not always the best for the podcast because like we could edit stuff out. But at least now we know. We can know what's going on and what you can do with it. I appreciate that. Good luck with your project.
Oh, thank you.
And hopefully we see you for like, oh wow, your project did this.
Yes.
AI agent can go online.
Yes. I know we'll have a big user.
I can't wait.
Right
for sure. If they make the AI so human, that's the first thing they're gonna do.
Yeah, I think so.
And
soon enough.
This is gonna be consuming so much computing power just for AI agent to groom.
Yeah, it's gonna be a crazy world.
I would be
and
like 30% of the global resources are used for AI agent to groom. Because most of the internet traffic is for that already, right? It's like,
gooning.
Yeah, it's like it's insane numbers. So it's like I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same. All right, have a good one.
Yes.
Where can we follow you? Twitter. What's your Twitter?
jars.global, JARS_global, and then Johann Sath, JOHANN_SATH.
Yeah. All right. See you, man.
Yes. Thanks for having me. See you.
30 minutes.
30
you
minutes.
don't know that much about 402.
Yeah, I don't know shit.
I was like, whoa.
I think you know way more about it.
You haven't even tried some payments and things like that. Like,
I have just
like the daily subscription. I would have tried that, like hourly subscription.
Yeah.
We didn't have that many people though. This time is bad.
But you're just gonna record it and then post it, right? Or
I also recorded it.
Oh.
Let me check if we have it here. Oh, 114 views on YouTube.
Damn.
Oh, 8 comments. You see, I missed on those. I could not see the comments on YouTube, I think. The audio is super low.
Have you done quite a bit of research into X402?
Qui n'a jamais été tenu par la radio énergie. C'est ce que dénonce Maxence Charlier, qui a participé en citant toujours énergie tout de ton salaire.
Mais ensuite, les prélèvements, tout ça soit déjà fait depuis le salaire net. Ça a toujours été dit comme ça à la radio.
Entre 2017 et 2022, Maxence tente sa chance régulièrement pour participer aux efforts d'énergie.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. I still don't get the full hype behind X402 because it's purely just what is the main stuff that you see for it?
That's what I mean. I was like, I didn't know. I was like, okay.
I see the agents and then API usage, but I'm not sure the main other stuff that truly differentiate it.
Oh, the beginning it was very laggy. Oh yeah, that's not the best quality we've ever had.
Is it really bad?
It is weird. It's like the beginning was like really laggy. Oh. Maybe Sebastian was watching some porn.
Connected once, you have all the payment. Yes. But what's happened if I put 4 zeros on my thing, and then you would validate the first payment. We go out on their line, what's stopping me from just charging you?
It's pretty good. This was so annoying. Your bracelets keep hitting the table.
You can hear me?
Yeah, there was something that kept dingling. I think it's this one. So I stopped you at the beginning, said stop fidgeting. So you keep touching something, and it's like. I think it would have been better if we had the background, the couch and stuff. Like, oh, good. We play with the ring.
That's the only reason I wear it. It's really efficient.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like even when I'm working, it'll switch fingers like 30 times a day. I'll just put it on every single finger. Fidget nonstop. Yeah. You just wrote the N-word 4 times.
was a lot shorter than expected. I mean, it's good, but I think I'm gonna
Not post it.
I mean, it's live, so like 120 people will see it. I think what I'm gonna do is to take back I think I have a full recording.
Edit it into clips or something.
Yeah, I wonder where did it record. Should have. Where did it record? Streamlab is so annoying for that. It annoys me so much. I could have tried the StreamYard. With StreamYard, I could have put multiple camera in the same thing. I had the rec on. Output. Movies. Okay, you didn't record it.
You can just download the YouTube video, right?
Yeah, but the thing is that the YouTube video is
See,
the quality is. I mean, to be fair, I think the podcast is not that good. I think it's better I do another video, and it's like I think the knowledge is not. It's like we don't. I don't feel like we give like them.
value.
Yeah.
It's just us just having like, it's
Yeah.
it's the exact same thing, like, oh, AI agents, API usage.
No, that thing, so it shows that was recording, but yeah, I'm gonna put it on this thing. I mean, at least I can use the clips of it to make a video of talking about it. If you want to hear it, like it's such a
I think I need to do way more use case
yeah, you have to try.
because I quite a bit of research too, or
Just a little bit, like you should be able to know like how does it work? Like you should have tried all that. That's what I saw the email was just like. I think like if this one's not gonna uplift you.
yeah.
Like I felt like okay, that nigga just gave it to his dad to do, and then he's like he doesn't know all the stuff.